Hello everyone, welcome back to the Everyday Cooking. Today we have an exciting and mouth-watering recipe for you, homemade chicken nuggets. These golden crispy nuggets are incredibly delicious and perfect for a snack or a party appetizer. So let's dive right into the recipe. In a blender or a food processor, add 300 grams of chicken breast piece. In goes half a cup of breadcrumbs to make the nuggets crispy. For flavoring, let us add 1 onion. To make this spicy, add 2 green chilies, and want that extra kick? Drop in 1 or 2 dry chilies. To make this more flavorful, add 5 garlic cloves, a few coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and salt for taste. Grind this. We need a coarse mixture, don't make it a paste. This is our nuggets mixture. We need to shape this. Before doing that, let us get ready with our egg. Break open 1 egg and beat it well. To make the nuggets golden brown, we need a proper egg coating. So egg is ready, spread some breadcrumbs on a plate and keep it ready. Let us start shaping the chicken mixture into small nuggets using our hands. You can create classic nugget shape or get creative with your own designs. Once done, dip each nuggets into the beaten egg. Make sure it's coated on all the sides. Then coat the nuggets with breadcrumbs, pressing gently to ensure they stick. As we have given 2 coats, one with egg and one with breadcrumbs, our nuggets are going to turn extra crispy. Our next step is to chill the nuggets. Place the coated nuggets on a plate or a tray and pop them into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Chilling them will help the breadcrumbs adhere better to the chicken during frying and give us that perfect crunch. Time to fry these nuggets to perfection. Heat some oil in a shallow frying pan over medium heat. Once oil is hot, carefully place the nuggets into the pan in a single layer. Remember not to overcrowd the pan, you might need to fry them in batches. Fry the nuggets on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Use tongs or a slotted spoon to flip them gently. Trust me, the aroma filling your kitchen will be irresistible. Once the nuggets are fried to perfection, you can transfer them to a plate. You can use paper towels in order to drain any excess oil. You can serve them with some tomato sauce or mayonnaise. Both sauce and mayo will taste so good with the chicken nuggets, so I am going to have them both. And there you have it folks, our delicious homemade chicken nuggets. Thank you for joining us in this fun and tasty cooking adventure. These homemade chicken nuggets are sure to be a hit with your family and friends. So don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this. See you in the next video. Until next time, happy cooking.